welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another braided wig. I love a braided wig. Me personally, I only got my hair braided one time in my life and it was a horrible experience. My hair is really thin. It's gotten thin over the years, so I feel like anything heavy on it really hurts my scalp, and that's what I think contributed to me having a bad experience. Also, the braider, it was bad. So I told myself I'm never getting my hair in braids again, maybe one day, but for now I like to stick to braided wigs. They're gorgeous, they have so many different colors, and they're natural looking. My favorite braided wig brand, and I stand by this, if you ask like, well, who do you recommend? I'll show you who I recommend. Jaliza's hair. I recommend Jaliza. Jaliza. I don't know if you guys remember, but I've worked with Jaliza a few times, I believe. The second one, I believe, was the Boho braided wig. So I don't even want this video to be super long. I just want to share this wig with you guys. If you are watching this video and you're like, you know, I want a lace wig, a braided wig. I've never worn one before. The ones that I see always look so fake and wiggy, and I just don't want to go outside like that. I'm looking for something that looks more natural. This is the video for you. You've clicked on the perfect video. Give this video a thumbs up before you watch, and let's get right into it. This is the box. This is like a full unboxing. We're gonna open it. And when you open your box, it says Jaliza, joy along lavish inspirations, zealously achieve. I love how it's packaged. I have to show you guys the packaging because it's like so neatly packaged. It just feels so luxurious. So it's packaged like this. And I'm gonna just open that. Oh, okay. So we have the wig here, but before I show you guys the wig, this wig comes with a bag. Looks like this. I know you put the bag on the hanger and you can hang it up. So I think that's just really cool. So in this little card, it tells you how to care for your wig. And I think that's really important for newbies that are new to this wig. It's better to follow the directions. It also came with the wig cap. I have a wig cap on because I didn't open the box yet, but this is the wig cap that it comes with. And I'm actually going to take this wig cap off and put on this one because it's from Jaliza and I know it probably blends in with the wig. So I'm gonna actually put on this wig cap, but I wanted to show you guys how it looked. Also have a edge tie that says Jaliza on it also, which I think is really dope. Comes in this bag right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So guys, this is how the wig looks. It is a honey blonde, by the way, and I'm like gagging because I think that honey blonde might be my color. I know I tell you guys all the time like blonde, silver, but I literally think honey blonde might literally be my color. But this is how it looks, you guys. Oh my goodness. Has a tag in it. So this wig has two clips in the front. Has two clips in the front right here. You guys can see that. It has a strap in the middle. And it's adjustable as well. So you can adjust it with this right here. You can make it tighter or you can make it looser. And it has clips in the back as well. Two large clips in the back. And this is how the lace looks. This is the color of the lace. So first things first, I'm just gonna cut off this tag and I'm going to put on the wig cap that they gave because I'm pretty sure they put it in there for a reason. I don't know if I wanna wear this one because this one is a little bit too light for me. I don't really, if you guys are new, I don't really wear wig caps to blend in the wig. Like, you know how some people, they wear the wig cap as a bald cap to, blend the lace with the bald cap or to like protect their edges. Me personally, because I change my wigs a lot, I literally just wear a wig cap for what it's originally for, which is just to keep the hair down so that you can, you know, wear the wig. That's pretty much what I use it for. I don't really turn it into a bald cap or blend it in with the wig cap. I don't really do that. Only if I was keeping the wig on for a long amount of time, but because I change it so much, I don't really do that. So that's why I just kind of wear my wig caps like this. Look at the hairline. Like, I literally didn't do too much, but used my glueless spray and kind of lay down the edges a little bit. I kind of took most of it off because I didn't want too much baby hairs. I think I'm just kind of outgrowing them. Certain styles, I like a lot of baby hairs, but I feel like with braided wigs, what probably gives it away is the excess of baby hairs. So this wig is so good, and the lace is so, it melts into your skin so well that you don't even need baby hairs to like cover up the lace. This is like my new go-to. I don't think I'm gonna take her off for a few weeks because I am just like, I'm excited. It's so beautiful. Guys, you can get this wig at JALIZA.com. This wig is $249. Now, I know you're like, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's worth it. It's worth it. If you want a wig that's gonna last, get this wig. If you don't want to be in the salon for hours and hours and hours, you have to go on vacation, you don't have time to get your hair braided, or you just don't even like getting your hair braided, this is a great investment for you because you can literally take it off at night, go to sleep, and go back, you know, in the morning time and put it back on for your vacation, and nobody will know. Nobody will know. She's 24 inches, HD lace, and I have a medium-sized cap, which is a 22-inch, and it fits me perfectly, nice and snug. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small, it's perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think below. I don't think I'm gonna take this off, so if you follow me on Instagram at Miss Chrissy J, or Snapchat Miss Chrissy J, TikTok Miss Chrissy J from YouTube, I'll probably still have this wig on. So if you want to see more shots of it outside of YouTube, follow me on TikTok. But yeah, this is it, ladies. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.